Namaste. Namaste. The first thing I would like to say is thank you, India.
ఉత్సాహంగా ఉల్లాసంగా చదువు సాగాలి, గొప్ప గొప్ప ఉద్యోగాలు సాధించాలి. విజ్ఞాన్ డీమ్డ్ టు బి యూనివర్సిటీ.
Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you. सबके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you. Sorry. शुक्रिया. What do you say? धन्यवाद or शुक्रिया? धन्यवाद. Thank you. धन्यवाद. Because I just got overwhelmed by the crowd. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank the people from all across the country, from every state. People have showed immense love equally. So I would like to thank the entire nation for pouring this wildfire of love. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. ये love नहीं है, wild love है. Thank you. And पुष्पा नाम सुन के फ्लावर समझे क्या? फ्लावर नहीं, फायर है मैं. इस बार फायर नहीं, वाइल्ड फायर. Thank you. Thank you. And I would like to thank all the Indians across the globe for watching this film and pouring immense love. And also I would like to thank all the crossover audience who are watching Indian films from across the globe. Thank you so much. पुष्पा को नेशनल समझे क्या? इस बार इंटरनेशनल. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. And most importantly, I would like to thank the entire team of Pushpa. My producers, Naveen Garu, Ravi Garu, my distributors, Anil Garu, and all my entire technicians, my artists, and above all, one man who made this entire success possible. All credit goes to, of course, everybody is a part of this credit. Credit goes to everybody, but if it all has to sum up, it sums up to one person's vision, and that's none other than my director, who's ruling Indian cinema box office. All my highest respects for my director. It is his success. It is none other than my director, Bandi Sukumar Reddy garu. It's purely his vision. It's purely his hard work and vision that has put us all at this level. Darling, on a personal note, thank you. I owe this entire credit just to you. All of us owe this credit to you. And I also... Can I have some water, please? At the same time, I would like to thank the film industry across all the states. I'd like to first thank the Hindi film industry for being immense support to Pushpa 1. You know, Pushpa cannot be Pushpa without the support of the Hindi audience and the Hindi film industry. Each one of us have given so much love and support. So many directors, so many actors, technicians have poured in so much love and support on social media and making Pushpa 1 what it is. So I would like to thank the entire Hindi film industry for the support, and the Tamil film industry, and the Kannada film industry, the Bengali, the Malayali, and of course the Telugu film industry. They have given immense support, and they have accommodated us for the Pushpa release on this December 5th. Every industry, they've showed so much grace and so much love for us. I'd like to thank every industry from across the country for showing their love and support. Thank you. And also, I would like to thank, excuse me, sorry. And also, I would like to thank the government from every state, the governments, the police department, and the media from every state for supporting this film. I would like to thank the government of India for supporting the film industry, because so much has been possible. It cannot be possible without the help of the government. So from the film industry, I would like to say thank you very much. And once again, what can I say? This is wild. ये love नहीं है, ये wild love है. Thank you, India. धन्यवाद. Thank you, India. Thank you. Thank you. It's not just my victory. Believe me, it is our country's victory. That one film is celebrated across so many. That one film is celebrated in so many states. It shows the beauty of this country. I'm humbled to each and every one of you for being so generous. Thank you. Once again, thank you, India. That's all I can say. And not as Pushparaj, but as a simple Indian, I would like to say, as an Indian standing at the capital of this country, I would like to say that I believe India will lead the future of the world. India will be the leading country of the world. And ये नया भारत है, ये अब रुकेगा नहीं, ये कभी झुकेगा नहीं. जय हिंद.
Wow, thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, wish to have you on the stage for a minute more. And guys, this is just 30% of the thank you and dhanyavad because 70% of the wildfire is still to come.